What's up, guys? Okay, today we're going to be making a Nerf gun epic battle. Well, not a battle. They're making a Nerf gun battle. I recently got a new Nerf gun. It's a built-in laser. And we're going to be testing it out. And first we're going to be doing in range, then power, and speed. Okay. First we're going to be starting with range. Alright. Alright, from here, from my gun, all the way here. Pretty far in range. Now let's test it on power and that little kid. Testing the range power. I'm testing the power on that little kid. Okay. That was weird. Alright, so it's pretty strong. So you see, he turned around like... Okay. So it's pretty powerful. And let's test the speed.
Yeah.
Where did you get all those darts?
No.
Alright, let's see height next. Let's go. In the middle of the yard. This is good right here. Holy crap. I'm gonna go check this out. I think it landed in, oh no, it's right there. And that went really high and very far. Okay, so now, speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so it went all the way from that concrete all the way here in 5 seconds. Jesus Christ. Alright, so now we know the attributes of this gun, and let me know in the comments if you want to see this in a Nerf gun battle. And I'll have a comment. Nobody's commented on my videos, so just make sure to smash the like button. Oh, and check out my new playlist called Oh My God, and it has some pretty cool videos that I made of stick bots, and I'm going to be getting some stick bots so I can make some more videos. And so I put a new video on there called Stick Bot Eaten by Worms, and just check that video out and tell me what you liked about it. So till next time, bye.